Hey guys, today we are doing a review on these brand new leggings that I found on Amazon that are supposed to be considered the Lululemon dupes. Yes, these are supposed to be considered the Lululemon dupes. But before we get into the review, remember to comment, rate, and subscribe at the end of the video. And comment what you guys want to see in future videos. I need some ideas. But okay, let's go ahead and get into this video. So these here are called the Queenie Ke Leggings that are considered the Lululemon dupes. These run for $17 on Amazon, and I got these in a medium. The whole name of these leggings is actually called Woman Power Flex Yoga Pants, but I run in these and I work out in them and they work perfectly fine. This is 86% nylon and 14% spandex. So they do stretch out pretty nicely. I could have sized down one if I did want it to, but this is comfortable, so I just stuck with the medium, and it is pretty soft. Compared to Lululemon's, the seam is too horizontal, so, but I mean, you're paying $17 for this, so you can't really complain. It's very stretchy. If you typically wear a medium and you want a snug fit, definitely size down. If you want to wear your leggings comfortably, then just stick with a size medium. These are actually high waist on me, and they go all the way to my ankle. So let's go ahead and get to some of the pros and cons of these leggings. So I got these leggings on Amazon for $17. It didn't take long to ship to me at all. Some of the pros that I have with this pair is that it's squat proof, which is amazing because I do so many squats and I feel very uncomfortable if my skin is showing through my pants when I squat. I just feel like everybody's just staring at me like, oh my god. The second pro that I have with this pair of leggings right here is that it's extremely soft. Because it's made of 86% nylon and 14% spandex, it gives a really soft, very like rich, expensive feel, even though you only pay $17 for it. It does feel like some of the pair of Lululemons that I have, like this, let's see, like the Wonder Unders. I have a pair of Wonder Unders and it feels pretty similar to this pair. Third pro I have with the Queenie Kes is the price, because it is $17. You pay for a very soft fabric, squat proof, and it's high-waisted. As for the cons for the Queenie Ke leggings, there is this, let me show you guys up close. I kind of have to get really close. So for the waistbands, I'm gonna stretch it out a little bit so you guys can see. This is my thumb right here, and this is the waistband. And I honestly do not like my waistband being that thin because I don't feel like it's really sucking in my waist as much. You can kind of, can you guys see that really thin band? So that little thin band is what holds you together compared to where your waist is covered. So I would prefer my waistband to be this thick, or at least a little bit thicker, maybe double the size just a little bit. It would be perfect. Completely 100% Lululemon dupe if the waistband was thicker. Because this little waistband right here, it's not sucking up anything. So I feel like when I put these on, it looks good and all, but my waist is not sucked in, and I feel like looks like it's kind of bloated because it just gets to the top. And I'll show you guys what I'm talking about when I do the squat proof test. You'll be able to see the little, kind of like the little roll that I got right here. Let me show you guys my Lululemons. These are the Wonder Unders right here. The Wonder Unders are super tight near the waist, which is perfect because it really sucks you in, and then it's loose where your legs are. Not completely loose, but comfortably loose. They don't have a obvious waistband, but you just know that this part right here where your waist is thick. It's really thick compared to the Queenie Kes, which it better be thick because you pay $100 for it. So, and you can kind of see by the shape of it, it kind of goes in a little bit. Hold on. You can see the waist, my hips are bigger right here and my waist is smaller. So it really, Lululemons really suck you in, which is good because I paid for that. So it better suck me in. So all of my Lululemons actually have that similar waistband suction, which is really good, and that's what I do like. And of course their material is always nice. So what you're not getting with the Queenie Keys is that waist suction. This will definitely not hold you in place, but it will stay up. I can tell you that it will stay up. I ran in these a couple of times and they do stay where your right where your belly is. This is definitely worth $17 from Amazon. Queenie Ke Woman Power Flex Yoga Pants. Definitely worth 17 bucks. Okay. Would I buy another pair? If I was, honestly guys, I am a really big fan of Lululemons because of the waist suction and their nice fabric. They are squat proof and that they are squat proof. So I'm a really big fan of Lululemons. So I might just like save up just to get more of Lululemons. But for my friends out there who are on a budget, these Queenie Keys, they're for you. And before I let you guys go, let me just talk about the material just for a second. The Queenie Keys are made of 86% nylon and 14% spandex. My Lululemons are 69% nylon and 31% lycra elastane. Majority of the Lululemons that I have, the nylon is much lower, a lower percentage compared to the Queenie Keys. Queenie Keys has 86 and that's the highest out of all the Lululemons that I made note on. And same goes for the elastane. Elastane is higher in my Lululemons compared to the Queenie Keys. So although these are stretchy, my Lululemons are definitely more stretchy because the higher percentage of elastane. So there's that. Just a little tip that I wanted to give you guys, or like if you guys wanted to know what the materials are made of. So at the end of this video, I am going to add in the squat proof test, so make sure you guys check that out. I am going to compare it with the Wonder Unders that I have, and you guys will be able to see the waistband and the whole waist snatch that I was mentioning to you about. Of course, remember to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Thank you guys for watching.